Hi my dear students, today we are going to learn chapter number 1, Whole Numbers, part 1. Under this topic, we are going to cover few lessons such as numbers in numerals and words, rounding numbers, number patterns, comparing and ordering numbers and negative numbers. Now we are moving to our first topic. It's about how to write numbers in numerals and in words. Students, can you remember in your earlier lessons you have been done different numbers in different place values? Let's take an example to refresh your minds. Now you can see there is a chart which represents 10,000s, thousands, hundreds, tens and ones. Now we are going to look at these place values one by one. You can see in 10,000s column there is only one dot. What does it represent by that place value? It represents 10,000. Let's move to the thousands column. There are 3 dots. That means the place value of 3 should be 3000. Under the hundreds column, there are 5 dots. That means 500. In tens column, you can see there are 4 dots. That means 40. In ones column, you can see there are 8 dots. That means 8. The total value or number should be 13,548. Now let's try this. The first question is you have to write this number in numerals. First one, 13,541. The number should be 13541. That means 13,541. Second question, 900, 1059. It should be right like this, 901059, 900, 1059. Then second question, you have to write these numbers in words. First one, the number should be right like this, 60,522. Second number you should write like this, 352,560. Now we are moving to our second topic, it's rounding numbers. Look at the number given. What do we get when we round this number to the nearest 10? When we round a number to the nearest 10, we look at the digit in the ones place. In our example, the number is 88. Then the number is in ones place, it's 8. Since 8 greater than 5, we round 88 to the bigger 10. It becomes 90. Then shall we move to the second number? It is 63. What is the number in ones place? It's 3. Then since 3 is smaller than 5, we round 63 to the smaller 10. It becomes 60. Now we are going to round the numbers in nearest 10, nearest 100 and nearest 1000. First we are going to round the numbers in nearest 10. There are two numbers given, 69 and 54. First we look at the 69. When we round a number to the nearest 10, as I said earlier, the digit in the ones place we have to look at. In our example, the number is in ones place, it's 9. Then since 9 is greater than 5, then number should become 70. Then let's move to the second number. It is 54. Which number is in ones place? It is 4. Then the 4 is smaller than 5. Then number become 50. Now we are going to round the numbers in nearest 100. There are two examples given, 469 and 844. First we are going to look at 469. When we are going to round a number in nearest 100, we have to look at the digit in tens place. What's the digit in tens place? It is 6. Since 6 is greater than 5, then number becomes 500. What about 844? What's the digit in tens place? It is 4. Then 4 is smaller than 5. Then number become 800. Then let's come to the another example. Now we are going to round the numbers in nearest 1000. There are two numbers given, 3839, 7220. First we are going to look at 3839. When we round a number to the nearest 1000, then you have to look at the digit in the 100 place. What's the digit in 100 place? It is 8. Then since 8 is greater than 5, the number become 4000. Then what about the second number? It is 7220. What is the digit in 100 place? It is 2. Since 2 is smaller than 5, then number becomes 7000. Now we are moving to number patterns. Students, can you remember number line? Now you can see there is a number line. Look at the number pattern in first number line. In this number pattern, it starts from 0 and count on in 2. That means it shows some kind of a number pattern. Then let's move to second figure. What is the missing number in this pattern? By adding 5 to 25, then it should be 30 because number pattern is count on in 5. Now we are moving to our next topic. It is comparing numbers. You can see there are different signs. These are the signs which are using to show the comparison in between two numbers. Let's look at the first sign. It is greater than sign. That shows the number is greater than the other number. Then what about the green color sign? It shows less than. That means the number is less than the other number. You can see the sign in blue color. It is equal sign. That shows the number is equal to the other number. Students, shall we do some exercises in comparing numbers? Before doing this exercise, you have to keep remember that when comparing numbers, we always compare the digits in the greatest place value first. If the digits are the same, we continue to compare the digits in the next place value until one of the digits is greater or smaller than the other. Let's take an example. There are two numbers given, 464 and 285. Which number or digits in the greatest place value? It is 4, right? Then 464, that means 464 is greater than 285. Then the other exercises you should try by yourself. Now we are moving to ordering numbers. We can order the numbers in two ways. You can see there are two figures given. First one is ascending order, second one is descending order. Ascending order means smallest to largest. We have to arrange the numbers from smallest to largest. What about the descending order? It is largest to smallest. You have to arrange numbers from largest to smallest. Let's look at the example given. By looking at the greatest place value, which car having the highest price? It is Saturn, because it is priced $8,650. Then Saturn become the first place. Second one, Mazda. Third one, Datsun. Fourth one, Toyota. The last one should be Honda because it is the lowest priced car. Now we are moving to our last topic. It is negative numbers. Normally, my dear students, we use negative numbers to represent the position of objects that are below value. You can see there is a picture of thermometer. The thermometer is the tool which uses to show the temperature. I'm asking you a question. Can temperature of a country become below zero? Yes, of course, because most of the European countries in winter season, they are experiencing below 0 Celsius temperature. That's why we are using negative numbers. Then the meaning of negative numbers means the negative numbers which are below or smaller than 0. What about the positive numbers? Positive numbers are the numbers which are greater than 0.